Have you ever wondered why do we get hiccups? When we were kids, we were told that hiccups mean you are growing, but that's not really true. I'll tell you the truth. It all starts with your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle under your lungs and above your stomach. It beats in a steady rhythm, helping you to breathe. But when you eat too much or swallow a lot of food, your stomach stretches, and because of it, the diaphragm has less space to move, as the stomach takes all the space. With less room, the diaphragm beats unevenly, causing the lungs to not work properly. Because of that, a muscle in your throat responsible for closing and opening your airway also starts to freak out, causing hiccups.